Okay, there's a graph on the second page of your handout that shows the sea level fluctuation over the last well, over how long? Can anybody read the scale?
20 million years.
Yeah, the left-hand graph, is that 20 million years?
Yeah.
So how many million years ago was it the warmest?
Like 15.
15 million years ago. Then it got colder and colder and colder and colder. Then we had a major ice age. You see where it says glaciation? And then major. Then it warmed up and then it got real cold and now it's warmed back up again. The right hand graph is how far back does it go? 150,000 years. So that's like 1/10 of a million years. So the two peaks on the right hand graph are just squeezed together two peaks on the left hand graph. So right hand graph is expanding the last 150,000 years. So we had a real warm period about how long ago? 125,000 years ago. Sea level was quite high, several hundred feet higher than it is today, I'm told. And then it dropped down, we had an ice age, and at the bottom of that, where it says glaciation there, that's where the people from Asia scampered across to come to North America, across the Bering Straits. And then from that period on, it has been getting warmer and warmer and warmer. So at the bottom of that peak is when it was colder and drier, and the scrub, if you'll remember that from that video, the scrub was continuous from Florida all the way across the southeastern United States to the Rocky Mountains and down into Mexico. And then it began to warm, according to that graph. And as it warmed, it got wetter, and as it got wetter, the scrub began to contract. You into some ants? Scrub begins to contract, and where it's left today is just on the top of these little ridges. You saw the sign Ridge Harbor. The fellow that developed that area knew there was a ridge there and picked it out to develop homes there because it wouldn't be all swampy. And we're on the piece of that ridge, or we will be in a minute, and it's 5, 6, 7 feet higher than the surrounding land. And there's a little piece of scrub here. Now, sometimes we go back into ice ages, and when we do, the scrub creeps down the hill and expands. And then as it warms up and gets wetter, the scrub contracts. So the scrub habitats contract and expand and contract and expand over time. And so some of these ecosystems move around a lot over millions of years. And the scrub kind of stays where it is, but it just expands and contracts. All right, we'll walk down a little further.